Hi class, today I'd like to talk to you about finding some parts of a parabola. So this is 10.1. Oh, I'm going to get the pen. And this is number 9. And they give us this equation, x squared plus 10x is equal to 5y minus 5. And they want to know the vertex, the focus, the directrix, and a graph. Okay. Because of the equation we were given, we can see that the square is on the x part. So I'm going to look up the equation for a parabola where x is squared. So here's the equation. It is x minus h squared is equal to 4p times y minus k. Okay, so that's a standard form. And we also, from this, know that the vertex is hk. We know that the focus is going to be hk plus p. And the directrix is y equals k minus p. Okay, so we're going to use these to help us to find all the pieces. The first thing we want to do is complete the square so that our equation looks like this equation. Right now it does not. So on the left hand side we're going to complete the square. So x squared plus 10x, let me get better, is equal to 5y minus 5. Okay, so on the left hand side, to complete the square, we want to take the middle term 10 and divide it by 2 and then square it. And that's what we're going to add to both sides of our equation. X squared plus 10x plus 25 is equal to 5y minus 5 plus 25. So notice this 25, this additional 25 here, we got from completing the square. On the left hand side, we aren't quite done yet. We have to actually factor. So x plus 5 squared, and now we get 5y plus 20. Now, close to looking like our equation, but the deal is that we still need to factor. Okay, so factoring on the right hand side, we're going to get x plus 5, and we'll factor out a 5. Okay, so now this is looking like our equation. So x minus h squared is 4p y minus k. So now we can look and figure out which parts are which. So h is going to be -5. Our K is going to be -4. And then our P is a little bit, it just takes a second to figure out. We know that 4 P's is equal to 5. So P must be 5/4. Alright, so we have all the pieces we need. So our vertex is just HK. Okay, our focus is going to be -5, but then -4 plus 5/4. And you can do that arithmetic over here. Okay, so our focus is at -5, -11/4. Okay, we're doing good. We need to get the directrix and the graph, and then we'll be done. So the directrix is going to be, oh, not a parenthesis, of course. Sorry, it is y is equal to -4 minus 5/4. So you can do that arithmetic over here if you need. So we get y is equal to -21/4. Alright, so then on your problem in the book, or in the My Math Lab, they have you pick a graph. But let's just make a graph really quick. So, yikes, let's try that again. Let's do a line. Okay, so we know our parabola has a vertex of -5, -4. Okay, we also know that the focus is at -5 and -11/4. Okay, so we want to put that on here. So -5 still, and like 2.75. Okay, the directrix is at -21/4. So at 5.25. Oh, let's change that back. Okay, and then we need to put in the parabola. If I wanted to make this a really good picture, I would find out my x-intercepts, I would find out the y-intercept. But they just wanted a sketch, so I'm not so worried. I know this opens up. I have my focus and my vertex, so it's going to be something like that. Sorry, I ran off a page, but some sort of parabola looking like that. Okay, I hope this helped. Thank you.